Hello children, welcome back. Last class we saw about the triangles, its types and also about the properties of the triangles. Today we will be learning about angles and its types. So what do you mean by angles? Angles are nothing but it is the space between the two lines that meet each other at a point called vertex. Okay, let's see the types of angles in detail. So just let's see about the diagrammatic representation of the angles. I told you angle is the space between the two lines. So this is the angles, the space between the two lines that meet at a point which is called as the vertex. This is the vertex and these two are called as the arms. Okay. So this is the angle. So let's see about the types of angles in detail. First one is the right angle. First one is the right angle. So right angle or otherwise called as 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle. So in a right angle, one of the angle will be 90 degree. One of the angle will be 90 degree. Okay, and this is a special angle. So you can represent by drawing a square in the gap. So this is a right angle. Okay, so you can check this with the help of a right angle checker. So I can place it this way. So this is a coinciding. So this is a right angle. Not only this, I can draw the right angle this way also. So this is also a right angle. So here I represent this way, 90 degrees. Again I'll use my right angle checker like this. So this is also a 90 degrees. I can also draw this way. So this is also a 90 degrees. So all these are right angles. It's nothing but 90 degrees. This is the first angle. Next one is the acute angle. Acute angle are angle that are lesser than 90 degree. Acute angle. These are less than 90 degrees. Okay. So I can draw this way. Okay. So it is smaller, lesser than 90 degrees. Okay. So they are smaller, tiny, they are acute. So they are called as acute angle. Okay. So less than 90 degrees are called as acute angle. So this is not the only way you can draw an acute angle. This is also an acute angle, smaller, even more smaller, a bit. So all these are acute angle. So lesser than 90 degrees, maybe 45, maybe 60, maybe 30. Okay, all these are acute angles. Next we will see about the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So obtuse angle are nothing but the angle that will be greater than 90 degrees. Acute is lesser, obtuse is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, like this. So this angle is, for example, 120 degrees. Okay, greater than 90 degrees, 120 degrees, or it can be even 130 degrees. Okay, all the angles that are greater than 90 degrees are called as obtuse angle. So one more angle is there which is nothing but straight angle. Okay, in a straight angle, the angle will be just a line. So this is the line and this is the angle formed. So straight angle, the degree is 180 degrees. So this is the straight angle. So we have seen the 4 types of angles. Okay, so you can see all these angles in the real time example. For example, the right angle 90 degrees. For example, the house, if you take a house. Okay, so this is the house. So this right angle Where do you see the right angle in the house? Here. This is the right angle, 90 degrees. So what about this angle? So this angle, if you see, it is an acute angle. So this may be 45 degrees. Okay, or as well as your ice cream cone. This also has an angle. So which is lesser, so acute angle, maybe 20 degree. For example, another bigger angle. Okay. So this is an obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degrees. Okay, so all these angles we can see in real-time examples. Today we have learnt about the various types of angles such as the obtuse angle, the right angle, as well as the acute angle. So I want you to draw each of the angles using a protractor. Draw each of these angles, an acute angle using a scale, an obtuse angle using a scale, as well as a right angle. So draw as much as angles as possible as homework.